When working in the Fusion Design workspace, you can use the Extrude command to add depth to a sketch profile or a face on an existing solid body. Extrude is a versatile tool that can create new solid bodies or quickly add material to, or remove material from, existing solid bodies. In this example, you use the Extrude command to create the starting shapes for a simple component in an assembly. On the Design Workspace toolbar, click Solid, Create, Extrude. The Extrude dialog opens, and if there is only one sketch profile in the design, it is automatically selected for you. Otherwise, select the sketch profile you want to extrude. Drag the distance manipulator handle on the canvas or specify a distance in the dialog. For symmetrical objects, you can set the direction drop-down to symmetric. This enables you to extrude the same distance on each side of the sketch plane, so that it acts as a symmetrical construction plane as you evolve your design. When you extrude a sketch profile that does not interact with any other geometry, the operation type is set to create a new body in the active component. When you click OK, the dialog closes, and you see the new solid body on the canvas. The body is also added to the browser, within the Bodies folder of the active component. You can also extrude thin features from open or closed sketch profiles, or faces on an existing solid body. Right-click the canvas to open the marking menu and select Repeat Extrude. Select a face on a solid body on the canvas. In the Extrude dialog, set the type to Thin Extrude. Drag the distance and angle manipulator handles on the canvas, or specify exact values in the dialog to adjust the distance and taper angle of the thin extrusion. You can also adjust the wall thickness and wall location in the dialog. When you extrude a face in a direction away from the existing body, the operation type is set to join the new feature with the existing body. When you complete the Extrude command, the new geometry becomes part of the existing body on the canvas and in the browser. However, the Thin Extrude feature is added as a separate feature in the timeline. You can also use the Extrude command to remove material from a solid body. This time, press E to start the Extrude command. Select the sketch profile or face on a solid body on the canvas that you want to remove material from. If the geometry you need to select is obscured by other geometry, click the location on the canvas and hold for a moment. A context menu shows a list of all the geometry layered beneath that point. As you place the pointer over each item in the list, you see that item highlighted on the canvas to help you find it. Click an item in the list to select it. Drag the distance manipulator on the canvas. When the new extrusion overlaps an existing solid body, the operation type automatically switches to Cut, and the area to be removed from the existing body is highlighted in red on the canvas. Click the named faces on the view cube, such as front, top, or right, to switch to any of the predefined orthographic views. Adjusting the view can help you validate that you are making accurate adjustments to your design in real time. For instance, if you want the cut to remove any material in its path, even if you change the shape of the body in the future, you can adjust the extent type to all. If you are modifying a body that was created symmetrically, you can adjust the direction setting to symmetric, and the extrusion will cut through all the material on both sides of the profile plane. Click the arrows on the view cube to rotate the view by 90 degrees in any direction, and inspect the body to verify that the material you are removing with the extrusion is exactly what you intend to remove. You can also click the corners of the view cube or click the home icon to view the design from an isometric angle. When you are happy with the result, click OK. Although all three extrusions are part of the same body, they appear as three distinct extrude features in the timeline, so that you can modify them and use them separately as you evolve your parametric design.